Emma finished work at 6 o'clock. She was tired and hungry. Before going home, she stopped at a supermarket near her apartment. The supermarket was busy. People were walking between the aisles with shopping carts and baskets. Emma wanted to buy a few things for dinner, so she took a shopping cart and walked slowly through the supermarket. First, she bought bread, then she picked up some pasta, cheese, and tomato sauce. After that, she went to the drinks section. Emma checked her shopping list on her phone, then she carefully placed the phone in her jacket pocket. Or at least, she thought she did.
Okay. Bread, pasta, cheese. I think that's everything.
About 20 minutes later, Emma finished shopping and walked to the checkout area. The lines were long, so she waited quietly for a few minutes while other customers slowly moved forward. Finally, it was her turn. Emma opened her bag to get her wallet, then she looked for her phone. She checked one pocket, then the other. Nothing. She looked inside the shopping cart, under the grocery bags, and inside her purse again, but the phone was gone. Emma suddenly felt nervous. Her heart started beating faster. The phone had photos, messages, and important work information. She took a deep breath and tried to stay calm.
Wait, where's my phone? No. I don't believe it.
Emma quickly checked her jacket again, hoping the phone was still there somehow, but it wasn't. For a moment, she just stood there silently, trying to remember the last time she used it, but she wasn't completely sure. Emma pushed her shopping cart back into the supermarket and walked quickly through the aisles. First, she checked the bread section, then she looked near the refrigerators and the drinks section. She looked under shelves, behind products, and even inside empty shopping baskets nearby. But the phone was nowhere. A store employee noticed Emma's worried face and walked toward her.
Excuse me, are you okay?
I think I lost my phone.
Oh, what does it look like?
It's black, and it has a blue case.
When did you see it last?
Maybe near the drinks section.
The employee nodded and decided to help her. Together, they slowly walked through the supermarket again, checking every aisle carefully. Emma was becoming more frustrated now. She looked everywhere, but the phone was still missing. She started imagining someone taking it home, or maybe dropping it somewhere outside the store. A few minutes later, they arrived at the customer service desk near the front of the supermarket. The employee spoke quietly with another worker behind the counter while Emma waited nervously. She crossed her arms and looked down at the floor, trying not to panic. Maybe someone found the phone. Or maybe it was gone forever. Emma sighed softly. She was already thinking about changing passwords and buying another phone.
This is so bad.
Don't worry, maybe someone returned it.
The employee opened a small drawer behind the counter and looked inside for a few seconds. Then he smiled. Inside the drawer, there was a black phone with a blue case.
Is this your phone?
Oh my God, yes.
Someone found it near the drinks section.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem.
Emma smiled with relief. She could finally relax. This time, she carefully placed the phone deep inside her bag and closed the zipper completely. Then she picked up her shopping bags and slowly walked toward the exit. Outside, the night air felt cool and peaceful. Emma laughed quietly to herself.
Next time, I'll be more careful.
Sometimes, small problems can feel very big, but luckily for Emma, this story had a happy ending.